Hello, it's been requested that I made a step-by-step video for this easiest crochet flower. So let me show you how to make it. You can use any type of yarn, any hook. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use double knitting yarn, DK yarn, and a 4mm hook. The smaller the hook and yarn, the smaller the flower. The bigger the hook and yarn, the bigger the flower. So let's begin. I'll do it slowly so it's easy to understand. So we're going to start with a magic ring. And then we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then into the magic ring we're going to put 2 double crochets. So if you're unfamiliar with a double crochet, I use US terms by the way. You're going to yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's your first double crochet. Do this again, yarn over, into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then we're going to chain 2 again, and then we're going to slip stitch back into the magic ring, slip stitch, and then through the loop. So that's your first petal, and we're going to repeat that 4 more times for a total of 5 petals. So I'm going to speed up slightly. So we're going to chain 2, 2 double crochets into the magic ring. That's 1. That's 2. Chain 2 and slip stitch back into the magic ring. 3 more. Chain 2, 2 double crochets in the magic ring. Chain 2 and then slip stitch back in the magic ring. Oh, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and back in the magic ring, and 1 more time, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and back in the magic ring, slip stitch. There we go. Now we're going to pull the yarn through, pull up a little tail, and then cut it off. Pull it through and pull on the tail to secure it. What's happened there? And then we are going to pull the magic ring tail to come from the front. You want it at the back. And we're going to pull that tail that's going to close the magic ring all the way. And then what I like to do, I like to make a double knot just to secure the tails. It all depends what you're going to do with the flower. You can leave these tails to sew them onto a project, or what I like to do is pull that one that I used for the petals. I'm going to pull it through the other side of the flower from behind, and then I'm going to make a double knot with this, with the 2 tails. That's 1, wait, 2, and I'm going to cut the tails off. And there you go, a tiny little crochet flower. Thanks for watching.